Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces.
Hi everyone, this is Maria and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I am going to do my health and wellness segment in my channel, and it's a quick core strength exercise. Going to do it pretty much for the upper body and also my shoulders. I did my cardio earlier.
People still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
Okay, one more.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me
just
now,
20.
see me now, see
At
now.
least.
Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping.
Sides.
Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
Flabby arms.
Life in a
It's
world that keeps
okay.
changing. Think that it's progress
It's been
you're
a while. I
making.
do my
Copy and paste pretty
planking
faces
every day,
all the time.
or at least 2 times a
Pictures
week.
so perfect we play through. Only 'cause
I
you
was a
said
little
that we
busy.
can go.
I mean, a lot busy.
We've got this tangled
Alright, one more to
caught before
for
our
sides.
eyes. Show off your fantasy, reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says it's more than meets the eye. Show off your that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
There we go. Say hi. Goodbye. Thank you everyone for joining me in a very quick core strength exercise. And excuse Gabe, he is playing right now. We're gonna head out. More preparation for his birthday this coming Saturday, which is I am also going to feature here in my channel. So if you like this video, it's a very quick one. Please don't forget to share it to everyone. And if you have not subscribed in my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on all of my updated videos. Maraming salamat po. And stay safe, stay healthy, and stay fit. I will see you guys in my next video. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Say hi, Gabe. Do not touch. Do not eat that. Hi everyone, this is Maria, and welcome back to my YouTube.